welcome to Lesson 1, Day 2. We're going to continue to work on rhyming and work on the letter P today. So let me go ahead and make this big for you. We're going to start with a brain stretch we had yesterday off school, so we are going to start with a conversation or a talking. Let's meet a new friend. Hello, my name is Anne. What's your name? My name is Tom. I like to sing. What do you like to do? I like to ride my bike. Now you give it a try. Pause the video, go to someone that's in your house or apartment right now, and try that. Pretend you are a stranger and say, hello, my name is blank. What's your name? See how they answer and answer using the word I, since that is our sight word this week. Then come back and finish the video. We're going to continue our learning target, I can rhyme, by matching the rhyming words. Number 1, hen. You tell me. Box, 10, vet or sun. Which one rhymes with hen? Sounds the same at the end. Did you say 10? Nice work. Number 2, run. Run, box, run, pet, run, sun. Which one sounds the same at the end? Run and sun. Nice work. How about fox? Did you say fox, box? And let's check to make sure Miss Crane has a rhyme and not a silly answer. Do the words jet, vet rhyme? Yes, they do. Our sight word this week that we have to know as fast as we can to be good readers is I. Finish the sentence. I like to eat. This little girl says, I like to eat hot dogs. I like to eat green beans, says the boy. What do you like to eat? Let me switch our letter. They're in different PowerPoints. As I said at the beginning, we're working on the letter P today. P says P. Just like our D the other day, we do not add a sound. So it's not P, but P. It's a breath of air, nice and short. P. Say it with me 3 times. P, P, P. Another frog jump capital. So get your writing fingers in the air. Big line down, frog jump, little curve. Let's try that again. Start at the top, big line down, frog jump to the top, little curve. Just like that. We're going to skip lowercase p. We'll practice that later this year. I have 3 things that begin with a p sound. Pumpkin, almost fall, penguin, and pig. Now go practice your rhyming.